Today, I'm breaking down 10 digital products that are helping real people make $500 or more a day. And yes, you can start these right now. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I help people start side hustles and build passive income. I've sold over $25,000 in digital products on Etsy, published over 100 KDP books on Amazon, and made over 36,000 print-on-demand sales, and all while working a full-time job. And my goal is to help you build your first profitable side hustle this month. In this video, I'm not just listing ideas. I'm giving you the exact blueprint, the tools, and the platforms you can use to launch quickly. Yes, even as a beginner. And remember, you don't have to be an expert in anything. You just have to solve a problem for a specific group of people. And that's the real secret behind every successful digital product. And if you need a shortcut, I'm launching my first digital product starter kit, and the waitlist is now open. So drop your email for early access and launch bonuses. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly side hustle updates and tutorials. So product number 1 is digital wall art. Digital wall art, specifically dopamine decor and motivational prints, are having a massive moment. I'm seeing Etsy shops bring in thousands of dollars each month from these downloadable prints. One seller, like this print, I See London, I See France, bathroom decor, has over 20 prints in the cart right now. And this is easily repeatable with ChatGPT. If you want the prompts, let me know in the comments down below. So after you upload it to Etsy, go back to this listing if it's similar and take their keywords so that you can rank quickly. Then boom, you have a passive income machine activated. Product number 2 is ebooks. Ebooks remain undefeated in passive income. And in the United States, about 15 million ebooks are sold per month. And again, you don't need to be an expert to sell an ebook. One example is this travel diary to embroider. It has 12 different designs. It sold 87 copies last month at $15, which is probably a $14 profit. So that's over $1,200 for the month. And that is only one product on their Etsy shop. Use ChatGPT for the outline, Canva for the template, and boom, in less than 4 hours, you can have a product making $1,200 a month. And product number 3 is templates and starter pages. Templates are the ultimate time saver product. You can have Notion templates, life planning templates, planner templates, social media templates, business templates. And here's a killer example. This Notion template, the Advanced Girl Life Planner, has sold over 134 sales last month at $16. So that's over $2,000 last month. The hack to templates is niche down, price up. If you have ADHD friendly, it's a girl template. So that's a double niche. You can start increasing your price a little bit. If you stay under, say, the $42 template and price it right at the $16, you're not $1, so people don't see you as a cheap product, but you're not $42, which you're pricing out of a lot of people. So $16 right in the middle, and you have yourself a gold mine. Product number 4, celebration kits. Celebration kits are criminally underrated. Birthday party bundles, wedding bundles, anniversary templates, bachelorette party games, baby shower games. A lot of these already have templates on Canva. And I could see a tool like Gamma app creating 20 different unique ideas for whatever celebration it is to add on as a free product. So go to Canva, create your template, and then offer this free add-on of 20 different unique ideas for a birthday party or anniversary or bachelorette party or baby shower. This bundle of 10 minimalist baby shower games sold over 506 times last month at $6.99. So that's over $3,500 profit last month. So product number 5, business tools. And this is where you can charge premium prices. Airbnb welcome books, restaurant employee handbooks, small business standard operating procedures. An example is this nail salon business template had over 20 sales last month at $8.57. You can use ChatGPT to create the framework, and then you can use your expertise or research to finish it up. Product number 6 is specialist learning guides. Educational materials have insane profit margins. This nursing school bundle at $98 had 14 sales last month. These $54 study templates had 7 sales last month. You can use ChatGPT guidance and your expertise to create sample questions and answers and a study guide. Product number 7, coloring pages. Don't sleep on coloring pages. They're still wildly popular, especially the adult coloring segment, which was valued at $151 million in 2024. And it's projected to reach over $320 million by 2030. And adult mindfulness coloring can sell for $7 to $15 each. And this could be a double whammy because you can also post it on KDP and receive monthly royalties. The key here is volume. So make a lot of different pages on your Etsy shop, your Gumroad, or your stand store. And I have an awesome prompt for creating adult coloring pages with ChatGPT. So if you want this prompt, let me know in the comments down below. This Cottage Witch Coven sold over 134 times last month. And product number 8, customized planners. Planners are evergreen sellers, and ADHD-friendly planners outsell generic ones 5-1. Budget planners for single moms, content creator planners, student athlete planners. This $10 Ultimate Student Planner sold over 34 times last month. It's not niche down, so it doesn't have ADHD, it doesn't have student athlete, so there's room here to make it more niche. And remember what I told you about niching? Niche down, price up. So this $10 Ultimate Planner can become a $16 Ultimate Student Planner, ADHD friendly, student athlete friendly. And product number 9, holiday decorations. Seasonal products equal predictable income spikes. Christmas printables, Halloween printables, Thanksgiving printables. This vintage Christmas tree print sold over 100 times last month. This $5 retro printable Christmas wall art sold over 30 times last month. And this bundle of 300 plus Christmas prints sold over 220 times last month. There's even a Christmas planner that sold over 51 times last month. And product number 10, craft decorating how-tos. DIY guides and craft tutorials are gold mines. This makeup bag sewing pattern sold over 400 times last month. And this floral coming out of a book pattern sold over 200 times last month. So if you have a mom or a grandmother that know how to do these patterns, I would definitely have a conversation with them. After you figure out how to do it, you come up with a simple little sketch, plug it into ChatGPT to make it look professional. And be sure to market it on Pinterest where DIY enthusiasts live. So here's my quick where to sell your digital products and why. But if you want a deeper tutorial, I have another video here. My number 1 is Etsy because it's beginner friendly and the audience is already built in. Etsy pays a ton to make sure that their products are seen by everybody on Google. It's also a trusted platform. Next up would be Stand Store and link it in your bio. So I would be posting on all social media, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. And then Gumroad, which is great for established creators. They do take a little bit more of your cut. And then for the long game, WordPress. So my strategy would be to start an Etsy for immediate traffic, build your email list, then transition customers to either your Stand Store or your WordPress. AI is your secret weapon, so you can use it to research trending topics, generate product ideas, write your product content, craft your product descriptions, and help you scale your business. When AI started becoming popular, I started plugging in all my ideas so I can see where I was weak and where I could grow. It really helps you brainstorm and work smarter and not harder. The difference between people making $500 a day and the people making zero, it's not luck, it's not talent, it's starting. They picked a product, created it, and listed it for sale. If you're unhappy in your 9-to-5, or if you need extra money, spend 1 hour this weekend creating a digital product and you won't be sorry. Even if it's not perfect, you can improve it later. Just get it out there. If you want prompts that will help you create the products that we discussed today, let me know in the comments. But if you want templates and a shortcut, sign up for my digital product starter kit waitlist. The link is in the description down below. And remember, you only need one good digital product to change your income. Hit subscribe and smash the like button if this video helped. If you have questions about side hustles, digital products, or future videos, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram for real-time quick tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.